guys. First concert in Singapore in 6 years. So, I mean, I was here for like water bomb and stuff like that, but you know, it's a little bit different. Did anyone come to the Singapore water bomb? It was actually really good. The Singapore water bomb was actually good. Like, I like the venue and the energy was really, really good. Huh? What'd she say? Pick up my pants? What did she say? I was there? Yes, I was there. That's why.
It was good because of you. It was good because of you.
Because of you. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it. She's like, take off your pants. Already? Yeah, hold on real quick. Is there any songs you guys want to hear? Remedy? I'm not saying Remedy today. I need like 20 answers.
Wow.
Make you move. 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 It's the only one that you can get right there. You guys see Remedy?
Yes.
What do you guys think of it? 이거 조금만 낮춰줬습니다. 너무 높으셔가지고. And get blinded for the show. How do you like Remedy?
It was awesome.
Is it cool? You like a more Mayday style or more Remedy style?
Both.
Yeah. Nice. Anyways, yeah, let's get it started. Give it one time for my DJ Wagon is my DJ. Singapore, say. How long will it take you to make that sound?
Huh?
You're so happy about it. Anyways, yeah, that was a V. You guys know V?
Yes.
Got it. What do the young kids say in Singapore these days?
Are you open-minded?
What is it? Are you open-minded? Oh, really? Is that popular in Singapore?
Yes.
Do you live alone? Are you open minded? The Sean Solo guy? Yeah, shout out to Sean Solo. Oh, is that popular in Singapore? Really? Wow. So you guys like joke around and just say that to each other? Are you open minded? It's you. You open minded love? No? Okay. Anyways, okay, let's go. You guys know this one? Try to sing along. Your love is the sweetest sound. Round you, my heart just pounds. Your touch, I write it down. So high, I can't come down. So this to notice, baby, like a siren. And you gave me faith, oh. You're the answer, all my problems solved. Life with you is beautiful. I won't trade away. I was lost but found my purpose now. I'm glad you're keeping me around. I won't trade it away. Whether I'm up or down or where, no crown. But in the same way, you did that yesterday. Whether I'm rich or poor, just go be yours. But in the same way, you did that yesterday. Not bad. Your smile's all I need. Without you, these lungs can't breathe. I fall from the sky for you. Wanna do better and die for you. It's hopeless to notice. Baby, like a siren. Oh. And you gave me faith. You're the answer on my problem solved. Life with you is beautiful. I won't trade it away. Anyways, that was yesterday. But there I am
Or down, or where, no crown. Love me the same way, you did as yesterday. Whether I'm rich or poor, just call me yours. Love me the same way, you did as yesterday.
What are they? What's popular in Singapore right now besides Pokemon?
Gay bar.
Who? What? Keep it sexy? That's not popular. Please. Might be popular amongst us.
Lai thai tu, lai thai tu, lai thai tu, lai thai tu.
Star? Farming? Ramen? Ramen. Ora ramen. Ora farming. What does that mean? What's Ora farming? It's a dance. What dance is it? Show me. Oh, no? Oh, this. Oh yeah, no. On the boat or whatever. Yes. Oh, that's called oral farming. Oh yeah, my trainees were doing that. They're like, hey, do you know this? They're like, what the fuck is that? Anyways, yeah, you guys listen to rap? Cool, I'm gonna rap for you guys too. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Look, with a party at females when they go with a party. Money the thing I'm loving. These things are the people on the start. Yeah. Once upon a time I was broke. Used to see me as a joke. Now they see me as a goat. Now that me I'm just a thought. While you bros acting like host, so I got him on the throat. I said I cut him for the throat. That's how I never get on the balls. Check out me down in the side, and none of the guys that fuck with me. I'm my dignity, my so I let them false. I'm in the room in the awesome. I follow these angles and rappers, but don't really care for them like they false. Is it I just enjoy music and tears about me? I know it's your cost. Got your 218, got the killing sons who only one. Yes, sir. I got your 218, got the killing sons who only one. Yeah, J Park is still a gun. Asian boy, put that mic down, that's what they said. Texas woman on their mortar, that's what they said. South Papa, Pepper, Mommy, that's what they said. But me, I never gave a fuck about what they said. Look at me now, call me Mr. Show the Proof. Better know who I put motherfuckers don't know what to do. Look at me now, call me Mr. Show the Proof. Better know who I put motherfuckers don't know what to do. It's me up, and me up, and me up. So stick down, so stick down, so stick down. It's me up, and me up, and me up. So motherfuckers stick down. The snakes, gotta watch out for them. The snakes, yeah. The snakes, they be switching up, they can't get enough. Now I've never been a gangster, but I get respect for them. Your tomorrow being changed, if you try to hit you up. You better hit your mom, I'm a fucking woman now. What time is it? Oh man, yeah, I ran this morning, it's fucking hot. I almost fainted. I was like, yeah, so I'm a little out of it. But thank you guys for coming, and I'll see you guys in a bit, okay? Thank you guys very much. See you later. Peace.